Hello, welcome to back my YouTube channel Future Wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX, a machine that blends sport bike aggression with long-distance touring comfort. Kawasaki has taken an already amazing motorcycle and pushed it even further. From its sharp new design to improved performance, this is a sport tourer built for thrill seekers and adventurers alike. Let's take a closer look at the all-new Ninja 1000 SX. Exterior. The 2026 Ninja 1000 SX keeps its aggressive, aerodynamic styling but now features even sharper bodywork, enhanced airflow management, and a more refined fairing for better wind protection. Kawasaki has introduced redesigned LED headlights with adaptive cornering lights, making nighttime riding safer than ever. And check out these winglets. Kawasaki borrowed tech from their superbikes to provide better stability at high speeds. The bike now comes in 3 stunning color options: Kawasaki Green Metallic, Phantom Black, and a new matte titanium gray. The new paint finish isn't just for looks, it has improved UV resistance to keep your bike looking fresh for years. Interior. Now, let's talk about the tech. The Ninja 1000 SX features an upgraded 6.5-inch full-color TFT display with improved visibility under direct sunlight. Kawasaki has also introduced an enhanced smartphone connectivity system via Kawasaki Radiology 2.0. This allows real-time navigation, ride telemetry, and even integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Another big upgrade, Kawasaki's adaptive cruise control, which now works even better for long highway rides. The bike also features keyless ignition and an electronically adjustable windscreen for added convenience. Performance. Now, let's talk power. Under the fairings, the 2026 Ninja 1000 SX is powered by an updated 1043cc inline-4 engine, now producing around 150 horsepower and 110 Nm of torque. Kawasaki has optimized the fuel mapping and exhaust system, making the power delivery smoother and the bike even more responsive. The frame remains lightweight but gets subtle refinements to improve rigidity and handling. The suspension setup has been revised with new semi-active Showa suspension, allowing for customizable damping settings depending on your ride mode, whether it's sport, road, or touring. Kawasaki has also improved the braking performance with new Brembo-style calipers and upgraded cornering ABS, giving riders more confidence when pushing the limits. So, is the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX the ultimate sport touring machine? With its aggressive design, high-tech features, and thrilling performance, it certainly makes a strong case. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or cruising on the highway, this bike delivers excitement and comfort in one perfect package. Let us know in the comments, would you pick the Ninja 1000 SX over its rivals? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Future Wheels content. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for using my channel Future Wheels. Please like, share and subscribe.